Hello everybody, welcome to channel Bitcoin World Crypto. Today's project is Rbx. The next evaluation is here, a novel ecosystem of DeFi, two version dApps, utilities and protocols to accelerate the flow of digital assets and capital. And these are key functions of Rbx. First is Rbx exchange. Second is P2P fiat on off ramp. Rocket drop, OTC asset, Rbx launch, multi cross chain bridge. First of all, we will discuss Rbx exchange, cross chain decentralized exchange and liquidity management solution that lets you trade any token across 18 plus EVM chains, uncensored, unrestricted, unblockable. Buy sell crypto using 20 plus different payments apps such as Cash App, PayPal and Venmo, all without the complexities of KYC. And Rocket Drop, DeFi staking and farming platform allowing the creation of rewards. And this is the detail of ecosystem fuel, no fees, no pull, just Rbx. Part of making products easy to use is minimizing headaches. Rbx, whether it's staking, farming, providing, managing liquidity or simply interacting with external features, we want users to feel excited about using their token. Rbx incurs zero transaction taxes with only a simple sell tax of 2%. You can buy, store, move, stake and play without shrinking your holdings. And this is roadmap detail of Rbx phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So this is the end of the video. This is the first part of the video. In the second part we will know more about its detail.